This is 5.3 day 2, part 2 here, just finishing up our notes on transformations. So we have this table here with a summary of transformations. We've got our y equals sine x function and our y equals cosine x function, and then all the different things that we can do to our graphs. So our a value, which is in front of the function, right, a sine k or a cos k, this a value determines if the graph vertically stretches or shrinks. Okay? This value determines if the graph reflects about the x-axis as well. So if it's a negative value, then it's going to flip things over the x-axis. This changes, this is what we call our amplitude. Okay, this changes our amplitude. That's how you will hear it referred to. Our k value we talked about today, this value determines if the graph horizontally stretches or shrinks. And remember, your new period, if you have a k value, is going to be 2 pi over k. Your b value determines if your graph moves left or right. So this is your horizontal shift. And then finally, your h value at the end determines if your graph moves up or down. So those are going to be vertical shifts. For our last example here, we're supposed to describe the transformation if our parent graph here is y equals sine of x. What does it mean if we have y equals negative sine of 4 times x plus pi? Okay, so first of all, let's just kind of look at everything that we have. We have an a value of -1. Now, the fact that it is -1 means that our amplitude is going to remain 1. So our y values are going to stay at +1 and -1. But the negative means that we are going to be reflecting over the x-axis. Our k is 4. So that's going to change our period. So our period will become 2 pi divided by 4, which then reduces to pi over 2. So instead of our period being 2 pi, now our whole graph is taking place from 0 to pi over 2. So it's happening a lot faster. Our b value is -pi. So we're going to be shifting pi units left. One complete period of this graph is going to occur on the interval our x values will go from -pi to -pi plus pi over 2. And our y values, our range, will be our normal range from -1 to +1. So again, if we wanted to simplify this right here, we could say that our x window is from -pi to -pi plus pi over 2 is -pi over 2. So we can just kind of simplify that a little bit. So what I would do if I were graphing this function is I would graph my parent function just so that I know what my shape looks like, but then I would move my picture frame to the new window and reflect it over the x-axis. all about that picture frame. Okay, and that's all.